Dear friend, everyone loves eating out, but with the rising prices at restaurants, we have all had to cut back. Wouldn't it be nice to save money by making your favorite restaurant dishes at home instead? Well, now you can with America's Restaurant Recipes. In this 2-volume cookbook, you'll discover the secret recipes for your family's favorite restaurant dishes. As seen on Fox News, Good Morning America, Home Shopping Network, ABC, NBC, People Magazine, and more. New York Times best-selling author Ron Douglas reveals the jealously guarded secret restaurant recipes that have been kept away from the public for years. With these easy-to-follow recipes, you are sure to wow your family and friends with meals that taste just like the Olive Garden, the Cheesecake Factory, Outback Steakhouse, P.F. Chang's, Red Lobster, KFC, and many more. Skip those long lines and enjoy these delicious dishes in your own kitchen. Now, for a limited time only, when you order America's Restaurant Recipes Volume 1, you'll get the Volume 2 cookbook for free. Act now to secure this buy one, get one special offer. Order now and spice up dinner time in your home.
Let's get started. Vesuvio is a cozy and distinguished Italian restaurant specially dedicated to preparing pasta. The exquisite dishes of the Vesuvio Restaurant have an authentic Naples, Italy flavor, and you will be able to taste them in Panama City. The Vesuvio Restaurant is located on Miguel Brostella Avenue, Tumba Muerto, behind the McDonald's, across the street from the Dorado shopping mall. It opens on Monday through Sunday from 11:30 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. Origins of the name Vesuvio. For tourists who travel to Panama and who are not from Italy, the name of the restaurant Vesuvio comes from the Monte Vesuvio, Mount Vesuvius. Mount Vesuvius is an active volcano located in the Bay of Naples, in Campania, Italy. This volcano is 1.278 meters above sea level, and is known for its eruption on August 24 of 79 AD, event which buried the cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum. Mount Vesuvius is an active volcano with and consists of a large cone partially encircled by the steep rim of a summit caldera, and is characterized for alternating from pyroclast and lava eruptions, creating a superposition of stratus, making these type of volcanoes reach great dimensions. As per the experts, Vesuvius had several eruptions, among which are the one in 1631 and the last great eruption was in 1944. Vesuvio, a restaurant with a modern contemporary style. The Vesuvio Restaurant has a modern contemporary style. The owner, Gennaro Esposito, gave it his own touch, making this a place to celebrate good times with family, friends, or romantic dinners. The elegant lamps and fine crockery harmonize with the table linens. The sober and lively colors of the walls contrast with the different artwork that decorate the restaurant. On one wall there are several pictures with artists from Naples, Italy. If you prefer to enjoy the breeze and the attractions of the avenue, you can choose to taste the delicious Italian pasta in the tables located at the entrance of the restaurant. Additionally, Vesuvio has a small and attractive bar where you can taste a variety of Italian wines. Specialty of the house. The restaurant's specialty is pasta. Here you will be able to enjoy spaghetti, lasagna, cannelloni and pizza, which is a new dish prepared in Vesuvio. This is not your common pizza, it has a new form, ingredient, and is filled in one half, and the other half is not filled, and it is called Luna Dozza. This modern restaurant gives you the opportunity to watch how your pizza is being prepared. The secret recipes for your favorite restaurant dishes have now been revealed in this best-selling new cookbook. Download now in the description below.